Hey, Adnan, how are you?
I'm doing good, man.
Good, man. It's been a while. Last time we met were in Seattle, I believe,
Yep,
right? Yeah, it's been like a
MVP
couple of years.
Summit.
Yep, it's been a while, man. How you doing?
I'm doing great, keeping
Oh,
busy. Just
cool.
wish I could see people like you a bit more,
Yeah, ex
since we're spread across all over the world
yeah, man.
doing our thing.
Yeah, and these days, I put this Microsoft team on my MacBook, and I'm trying to see maximizing the value of a team on other than Windows devices, and I'm
Oh,
liking it.
Teams.
And people are watching this on my iMentor YouTube channel. So welcome everyone, and let's Adnan introduce himself.
Hi, everybody. My name is Adnan Hendricks. I'm a cloud solutions architect. I do consulting, training, pretty much any technology that touches Azure. So think about Windows 10, Office 365. I'm based in the Netherlands, but I pretty much work worldwide.
So tell us what are the things keeping you busy with the 365 or M365? Let audience know what you see in the field, and then we build the conversation from there.
Sure. Work here in Europe has pretty much been a lot of Windows 10 deployments. You guys know Windows 7 and 2008 or 2 just kind of hit the end of support, even though there are some people still paying Microsoft for support, but there was a large push to get a lot of companies off the platform. And also, moving to the cloud, not just Office 365 in terms of productivity, but also Azure moving their data centers and workload backend platforms to the cloud to run on either infrastructure as a service or utilizing some of the platform as a service services that Azure provide. A lot of large companies move to Azure, and a lot
So
of companies that are moving, they're doing the training to get certified as well, especially the IT companies. Last year and the year before that, did a lot of partner training, partner readiness training for IT services companies that are trying to get that certification and skills so they can ramp their customers and clients and take them to the cloud. And utilizing things like Windows Autopilot for deployment, Intune to manage their
so
desktops.
yeah, so you just mentioned a couple of good things, partner ready and then end customer. So you tell us what skill set or what kind of thing when you go and train the partners, and of course those are the consultants, then they go in the field and deploy. So tell us from both sides of it, from partner for readiness, and also you do the direct consulting to the customer as well.
Yeah. Well, if you're looking at partner readiness, it's really IT companies that are trying to get their staff certified. And being an IT company and a Microsoft partner, they're trying to get those certifications to kind of show that they have the skills to be able to take their clients towards a certain technology level. Whether it's silver partnerships that they're trying to get to, or gold partner credentials, certifications. Depending on the type of certification that the company has, depends on the type of services that they are authorized to help certain companies with. Yeah.
So what you're saying, basically, you make them ready to become certified if they're not. If they're certified, you help them go to the next level to a particular category,
Yeah. So
right?
sometimes
And
they do, sometimes they'll do like self-study, and
right.
I'll have like a day or two with them where it's really like focused.
So yes, the point is that somebody is trying to look for a career. They can plan their career accordingly. Yeah, security compliance. And you
Definitely.
talk about governance. You talking about onboarding for SharePoint, Exchange. You name it. So many companies, right?
There's still a lot of roles that guys can fill. So especially, let's say you just left school or you just left study, depending on the type of role, I'd say guys need to find out what they like, what they have an interest in. If they do know, they can go jump straight in. Otherwise, they can try and see what it's like to either be in the role of a developer or in IT operations. And then you have the business side, obviously. So depending on where I always like to think of it as somebody's personality or character kind of puts them best suited for certain roles sometimes. I know when I started out, I actually wanted to be a developer. Having just started as a developer, I heard about systems engineering and systems integration, where you could become a certified systems engineer in Microsoft. That's what they called it back in the day. And you could be administrator, the network, the entire company. And that was something that I liked back then. So those kind of roles still exist. And there's new technologies where guys can go and learn the different technologies depending on whether they want to get into cloud, which is pretty much the thing to get into, or they still want to do something bit more traditional side. They're going to be working with Windows desktops and server administration. There's always growth, and in saying that, especially mentioning the Exchange administrator, back in the day you used to have a lot of those, and even nowadays the IT consulting companies, they only have about one or two people still with those kind of skills, because let's face it, lots of people have moved to Exchange Online and utilizing Office 365. So with that being a cloud-based product, you don't need that on-premises skills that much anymore.
Right.
So especially a lot of the guys that are coming on my trainings and workshops, they are guys currently in the industry that have been in the industry for a while. And even though they have a good grasp of desktops and servers and working in their local on-premises environments, the cloud is still pretty new for them, because they were kept in a certain state, at a certain level within the company, because the skills weren't required. And now is really the time where everybody is seeing that the cloud is safe, the cloud is secure, and the cloud can really enable a company to be more productive and be more secure.
Yeah, exactly. That we can have another, or maybe more than one episode just on the security and governance.
Well, I can go on and on forever.
Yeah, exactly. So
pretty hot right now.
Yeah, we want to keep it for our next videos or next episode.